Hello, my name is Echo JMC, and if I'm going to be honest with you, I've tried to record this video, I don't know, 5 times? I'm really bad at recording videos, but I'm even worse at recording scripts for videos. So most of my videos just end up being me ranting about something ranting internally about something that I couldn't understand about my previous video. Why I couldn't say a certain word, why I couldn't say the word specific. I didn't say it again. Why I couldn't say the word last time. Specific. There we go. But that's what most of my videos end up being. They just end up being me talking, and no one listens. Not that I know of. No one listens. It's just me talking alone while I'm outside. Sometimes I'm inside. My last video, I said I was making a movie. I'm obviously not making a movie. If I was, I don't know, I would be more preoccupied. But at the moment, I have enough free time to sit and walk around outside in an open area waiting for something to happen. I want ideas for videos. I want to be able to think about a video before I make it. But I haven't uploaded, and I said I would. So I'm recording this. This is a cat. This is another cat. Hey. Binks. He doesn't like being on camera. This one does. It's just cold and raining. That's all this video is. That's what it's going to be titled, Cold and Raining. I don't have anything to do in this video. I don't have something to say. I don't want to say anything, I guess. But I guess that's okay. That's what my channel is. That's what it always has been. That's what it will be forever. This stupid little channel made by a 12-year-old boy. Probably 11. I don't know. Can't remember when I made it. Because there are videos on this channel that I've deleted from many years ago. Videos that don't mean much to me anymore. There's some videos that I really like on this channel. Some videos that I think perfectly encapsulate me. I guess I'm gonna go now. Thanks for watching.